If you want to search something by image on Google Pixel 10, we have several options. The main tool that allows us to search by image is the circle to search. So you can press and hold your finger on the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen if you have gestures for navigation, or press and hold on the home button if you use 3 buttons for navigation. After a second or two, you will activate circle to search, and you can either tap on, for example, the person that you wish to know more about, or the subject object that you want to learn what it is. And as you can see, after that we have Google search results, so you can find out more who that person is or what that thing is, and so on and so forth. Of course, we can readjust the selected area if you want to, or instead of just tapping, you can also draw a shape around the thing that you're looking for, or the person, of course. So this is one of the ways, and you can use it pretty much everywhere, whether it is the home screen, app, a browser, etc. Everything. At any place, at any point, you should be able to activate circle to search, as long as it is, of course, enabled in general in settings. And this also works, for example, for photos that you already have. So for example, if I go ahead and open this photo, I can use circle to search, or I can also use Google Lens, which is pretty similar. I can tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner, and there we go. Over here we have Google Lens, and you should be able to find out more what it is. There we go. So as you can see, it is pretty much the same thing. Last but not least, you can also use this Google Lens button that you have attached to the Google search bar widget at the bottom of the home screen. If you tap over here, you should be able to, well, first we need to allow access, but we can open the camera, and for example, we can take a photo of something that we just saw, for example. And you can also access the Google Lens feature from the app drawer as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.